Honestly, if you're not listening to your customer, you're never going to be successful.
We're not just supplying parts, it's custom tailored solutions for our unique customers' needs.
They don't really see this all the time in terms of a company providing the connector as well as a cable. It's a one-stop shop.
Meaningful collaborations start by looking beyond a single component, by digging deeper, by asking the bigger question: how does power move through the system? Because when you follow the power, you begin to see the full picture. You see a more detailed, powerful design perspective. It's in this space where Sager and Molex work best together.
Molex has a lot of standard off-the-shelf products, a wide range from low power on a PCB board all the way up to high power, heavy duty for rugged applications.
We actually do a quarterly product training here, and one of the things that I try to highlight specifically for Sager and their sales team is new product introductions that Molex brings to the market.
Power doesn't exist in isolation. It flows through connectors, cables, and interconnects, shaping performance, reliability, and scale.
98% of what we do is custom, and it all comes down to system architecture and mechanical packaging.
Energy storage is going to be a big area that we continue to invest in. Whether it's on the inverter side or converter side, you're definitely going to see Molex high power products.
By taking a system-level view, Sager and Molex help customers understand how power and interconnect work together, and where smarter, more integrated solutions can make a difference.
There was a medical device company that Sager collaborated with to create a battery pack. They pulled in Molex to introduce our printed circuit solutions and present a user interface for the same project. Through our combined capabilities, we were able to collaborate and create a solution for the customer.
Molex is known as a connector company. We have a one-to-one match with every single FFC, FPC cable that we have and the exact mating connector for it. Anytime that a customer does design in a Molex connector, that one-to-one match with our Premo-Flex cable is seamless to design in.
From flexible circuits and custom cable assemblies to busbars and high-power interconnects built for demanding environments, Molex solutions are designed to support power wherever it needs to go.
One of my favorite tools is the Molex Custom Cable Creator. So I've seen customers' eyes light up when we show them how easy it is to make their own cable assembly. It's as simple as selecting your connector, your cable type and length, and the other connector on the other end. It really takes that design element right off the engineer's plate.
Say you want to use a fit family connector. You know which fit family connector you want to use. The software helps you through the rest of your selections. You don't really have to know everything. You just have to know where to start.
Together, Sager and Molex help customers connect the dots, turning individual design decisions into complete, dependable systems.
One of the key advantages of working with Sager is to be able to get that real-time collaboration to yield the results back to the customer in a tangible form of a product.
We get a lot of information from them on what is coming up in the market and how we can best serve our customers.
These guys are feet on the street. They have exposure to customers and markets that we don't necessarily have access to. And so having those relationships and having the closeness of trust and awareness of what Sager does well and Sager's awareness of what Molex does well is really a great recipe.
Following the power reveals more than a path through a product. It reveals a better way to design. With collaboration, technical expertise, and a shared commitment to solving the whole problem, Sager and Molex help customers power any project with confidence.